This is the freight elevator at Randolph Hall at Virginia Tech. It's a Westbrook. Old JL. It is very low light in here, so I do apologize for that. I'll get my phone light out. It's a Westbrook. Lights don't do much, like I said. There's one here too, so we'll get a look at it with my phone. Alright, supposedly this thing has an obnoxiously loud motor. So let's go to 1. Yeah, the videos don't lie. This is a crazy motor. I'm going to take a video with my phone. Let me put the flash on. There we go. Yeah, my camera's all on a weird setting, so I apologize in advance. It says the Westbrook Freight at Randolph Hall. My God. Okay. Wow, this thing is ridiculous.